Hi guys, welcome to our linkage software tutorial 3. We will try to draw this figure 2 to 17, which is taken from our textbook. We will also learn that, as you can see in this figure, all connectors motion paths as shown in here. We are able to also draw a motion path for the connectors in the linkage software. So I will also show you how we can draw it. So before going through the drawing process, let me show it these mechanisms working video. As you can see in here, this connector is also drawing a motion path. We will do as well as also. So now let's check what I drew before recording this video. So in here, let me run it firstly. Yeah, it's working. And let me share my dimensions also. You can use these dimensions. This is not seeing actually. Let me zoom in here. Yeah, it's much better. You can use these dimensions to make it at your home. So, okay, let's remove the dimensions and let me show it how you can draw a motion path. So, firstly, we are setting the all connectors as a draw motion path. Right click, draw motion path. Yeah. The last one. Okay. Let me run it. As you can see, the all connector point is shown in a motion pattern here. This gives you a chance to your mechanisms working path, see the working path. Okay, let's try to draw it together now. So let me open it. So firstly, I'm starting with a rotating anchor in here for the first one. Then I need just only an anchor in here. Let's join them together. Okay. Okay, I need two more links. Another one. Okay, let's set the dimensions together. So for the link 1, I'm setting as a 42.7279. Okay, for the link 2, I'm setting as a 26.5391. Okay, but it's changed that here. Yeah. Okay. For the third one, 28.5423. Let's set it 8.1680. Yeah. Let's make it. Let's run it. Is it working or not? Yeah, it's working. So for the visualization also, Let's make it as a solid, which I previously did it. Okay. So let's draw the second one. Okay, I'm starting with the rotating anchor. But in this example, actually, I need 2 more rotating anchors. Let's check it in here. This is rotating anchor. This is only. So this will be fixed to the ground and there is no rotating input. So I need 3 more link. Let's join it. Then join this. And let's set the dimensions. For example, for the link 5 in millimeter, I'm setting as a 31.3545. For the 6th one, I'm setting as a 7.6706. Okay. For the 8th one, 13.022. Okay. For the 7, 30.9435. Okay, let's run it. Is it working or not? Yes, it's working. So let's put it here. Then let's try to other one. Let me also show it. Those one, if you miss the dimensions, those dimensions for the first 2 figure is that. So let's draw it. The last one. So I'm starting with the rotating anchor. So let's set as an only anchor this one. I need 3 more links. Okay. Let's join it. For joining the every link, we will again set the dimensions together. Oh, didn't select it. Anyway. Okay, just let's join it. Then joining this part. Okay, now let's set the dimensions. So for the link 8, I'm setting as a 10.0946. Okay. So for the link 10, I'm setting as a 90.9351. Okay, then link 11, I'm setting as a 20.5628. For the link 12, I'm just setting as a 30 points, 3,463. So, okay, let's run it. Is that working? Yeah, it's working. So as you can see here, you can use those dimensions. This is the end of our third lesson. So thanks for watching.